in case you are not able to deliver the order on time, and or in case you want to extend the delivery time for 5 days, 10 days, 30 days, it doesn't matter the number of days. And also you want to increase the price, like the order was placed at $120, now it has added some new screen, some new features, and the new price is like 90 USD add on. This way you can simply modify the existing order using resolution center option. In simply select the order, go to the visit resolution center, there you will find extend the delivery time option or modify the order. You can simply select the modify. If you want to increase the price and days, simply select the modify order, enter the number of days and the number of new price, like if it was 130 USD, you will mention 90 USD more, it will increase it to 220 USD, like 130 plus 90, whatever, it will be 220 USD. So yeah, this is how you can use extend delivery time and price feature. Thank you.